Scatter plots in Power BI. Scatter plots are the effective tools for visualizing the relationship between two numerical variables by plotting data points on a Cartesian plane. So, what is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence tool that allows you to connect to various data sources, visualize the data in reports and dashboards, and then share them with anyone you want. Now, let us see some steps to create scatter plots in Power BI. The first step is to load the data into Power BI by connecting to the data source. Then navigate to the report view by clicking on Report View in Power BI. After this, select Scatter Plot from the visualization pane on the right. Locate and click on the scatter chart icon to add it to the canvas. Next step is to choose the variables. Drag the variable you want on the x-axis to the axis field of x. Similarly, drag the variable for the y-axis to the axis field of y. Here I have customer name in the x-axis and revenue generated in the y-axis. After this step, you can customize your scatter plot by adjusting axis scales, titles, data labels, colors, or shapes of data points to enhance clarity and insight. And then explore interactivity. Utilize Power BI's interactive features to hover over data points for specific values or apply filters to focus on particular data subsets. That's it. You have created a scatter plot in Power BI to visualize the relationship between two numerical variables.